Good morning, students of standard 9. Welcome in day 23. As you know that in day 22, I have explained about value of difference between value of acceleration due to gravity and gravitational constant. Okay, and I have discussed about what is the value of a small g on the surface of the earth. It is same at everywhere or it is different from and it varies from place to place. Okay, that topic I have explained yesterday in day 22. Okay, today I am going to start a new topic. So let us see here, how does g vary with the altitude above the surface of the earth. Okay, so student, kindly request to all of you, please sit with pen, notebook and your science book and turn page number 142 and see the topic, how does a small g vary with the altitude above the surface of the earth. A student, just remember in previous class I have already told you that the value of a small g, that means acceleration due to gravity on the earth, is depends upon the radius of the earth, that means distance between two objects, and it is inversely proportional to the radius of the square of the radius of the earth. That means acceleration due to gravity is decreases when radius increases, acceleration due to gravity increases when radius decreases. Okay, so let us see here. This is the diagram for earth. Suppose that this is earth and this is radius, and object is on the mountain or covering some height, that means the object is in the sky, then the distance between object and earth is radius plus height, suppose that small h. Okay, so re plus h. Okay, this is the distance between object and the earth. I have already told you that when you compare with the earth and the other object, you will take distance from the center of the earth, that means radius of the earth and distance between surface of the earth. Okay, so total distance is here re plus h. Let us see here, the acceleration due to gravity on the earth's surface is given by, I have discussed about when the object is on the earth surface, not above the earth surface. Okay, when the object is on the earth surface, then the value of acceleration due to gravity is equal to g equal to capital G me by re square. Okay, where small g is acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth, g capital G gravitational constant, me mass of the earth, and re radius of the earth. This is equation 1. I have discussed about value of a small g does not depend upon the mass of the object. Okay, now when object is above the surface of the earth, that means it covers some distance from the earth surface, then acceleration due to gravity, a small g, at a height h from the surface of the earth is given by let us suppose that capital small g dash is equal to g me by re plus h square. G gravitational constant and g dash, small g dash, new gravitational acceleration due to gravity. Okay, me mass of the earth, re plus h, this is the distance between object and the earth whole square. Okay, suppose that this is equation 2. Okay, from equation 2 divided 1. Okay, from equation 2 divided 1, so left side g dash by g equal to right side g dash g me by re plus h whole square by g me by re square. Okay, now let us see here, capital G cancel out, me cancel out, and re goes to numerator term. So we can say that g dash by g equal to re square plus re plus h whole square. Okay, or g dash by g equal to re plus h whole square. Okay, Now see here, since RE is less than RE plus H, so here let us see, try to see here, this is numerator term and this is denominator term. Suppose that RE is equal to 2, okay, and H plus 1, then H is equal to 1, then it becomes 2 by 3, 2 by 2 plus 1, 3, as for example, that means we can say that RE is less than RE plus H. Here numerator is less than denominator. So we can say that since RE is less than RE plus H, students here, since RE is less than RE plus H, that means numerator is less than denominator. So this fraction becomes less than 1. Okay, so we can write here RE by RE plus H less than 1. Okay, and put the value of RE by RE plus H. RE by RE plus H whole square is equal to G by G dash. So we can say that again, RE by RE plus H whole square also less than 1. Okay, RE by RE plus H is less than 1. So RE by RE plus whole square is also less than 1. And now put the value of RE plus by RE plus H whole square is equal to G dash by G. So we can say that G dash by G is less than 1. Now it goes to right side, G dash is less than G. Okay, so student, we can say that thus acceleration due to gravity at a height h is less than the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. Okay, so we can say that the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth is always greater than the acceleration due to gravity on the object which is above the surface of the earth. Okay, so we can say that the acceleration due to gravity decreases with increasing altitude above the surface of the earth. That means one person cover 10 meter above the earth and one person 100 meter above the earth. So which one has greater acceleration due to gravity? The person which cover 10 meter above the surface has greater gravity as compared to 100 gravity. That means it depends upon the altitude, and the altitude is maximum, then gravity is minimum. Okay, when altitude is minimum, gravity is maximum as compared to the above the surface of the earth. But it is always happen that the acceleration, the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth is always greater than the value of acceleration due to gravity above the surface of the earth. Okay, students, today I have discussed about what is the value of acceleration due to gravity above the surface of the earth, and we have seen that the value of small g or acceleration due to gravity above the surface of the earth is always less than the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. Okay, students, today's class is over. I hope you understood very well about the concept of value of a small g when object is placed above the surface of the earth. Okay, so today's class is over. Now it's time for your homework. Write down your homework. Students, this is your homework for day 23. Today I have given once again one question. Show that the value of a small g increases as we go to higher altitude above the surface of the earth. Okay, today I have described. Okay, so you will do same question. Show that the value of small g decreases as we go to higher altitudes above the surface of the earth. Students, thanks for